With Techout, and just doing a quick recording on my MacBook Pro. But I wanted to do a couple updates. I haven't done a Ubiquiti update in a while, but I am still using all their stuff. And there's a couple things coming soon here. The Dream router that was in early access is now out of early access and on the public network page part of the store. It is not for sale yet. It is marked as coming soon. The early access price was $79. The actual retail price for the public unit is going to be $199, which for what it offers is still a very fair price. You get the 4-stream Wi-Fi 6, 5 gigahertz, excuse me, 2.4 gigahertz, 128 gigabytes of storage. You get your gigabit LAN or WAN, 4 gigabit LAN ports, and two of those are PoE. So if you want to use this to do, this can be one access point, and you can power like 2 other access points off of it. Excuse me, allergy season here. Or you can do like a camera and an access point, something like that. And you can run the Protect app. You do have to have a memory card for that, but you can run the Protect app on this. So that is very good. It's definitely a great all-in-one solution for, something like a household, whereas the Dream Machine Pros are more maybe a larger household or small to medium business. This is going to be a great all-around router for somebody who wants something like the Dream Machine Pro, but doesn't need, that much power per se. So that is pretty cool that is now coming out. And then on the network application side of things, on my Dream Machine Pro, one of the things in the latest update is pretty cool is the global AP settings. So you can now choose which APs. If you want to exclude some, you can do that. But you can have your 2.4 gigahertz and your 5 gigahertz channel width set across all your APs just by setting it here in this one section. You don't have to go AP by AP and change that. And then for your transmit power, you can do that as well. You can also exclude certain APs if you don't want them to take effect on that. And then your AP site settings and nightly channel optimization, you can turn that on for all your APs as well. So if you go to an AP here and you don't want it to be a part of the global AP settings, you can also just turn that off per AP here as well, and then that will enable you to change its settings here on the settings page. So that is some of the new stuff in the UniFi network application and some of the new products coming to the UniFi lineup. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. As always, have a great day.